Welcome to calculator part 2. For part 1, wetin we do be say we see as we fit take add two numbers for inside the calculator. So and just to put number 2, number 3 and number 4, now almost the same thing. We go use this elif now just say okay, if now 1 do this, elif now 2 do this, if now 3 do this. We go use elif take break am down, and else now go end down based on say if no be any of 1 to 4, wetin go do, e go print for us now, put from 1 to 4. So we don't see that way we take add am. For the second one, we say if you put 2, wetin we also do be say now to change this thing to minus. Understand? Because now the same okay, sorry, we don't already put them already to minus. So now be this for here, we won't put the minus. Almost the same thing. We go add the 2 number, then we go put down to minus. So now be that one. So number 3, what we want to do now to divide them. Now the sign be this. The only thing we go change now to put divide. So number 4 now be say we want use and do small calculation for maybe for inside shop. We want change the number of things where we go, the number where we go put. Number 1 price per bulk. For example, they buy things in bulk. Maybe they buy 1 bulk for 1,000 naira. So how many bulks we buy? We go put how many bulk we buy. Maybe if we buy 2 bulks, that one could be say we buy them for 2,000 naira. The last one, this one total cost. Waiting everything will cost us plus transportation. We put transportation per bulk for line 25 here. See how much they transport 1 bulk. You understand? Total cost could come be waiting. We'll put the price per bulk, we'll times am by how many bulk. You understand? So for example, now price per bulk now 1,000 times how many bulk. Maybe we buy 2 bulk, will be 2,000 naira. If you do that one finish, we could also times transportation per bulk. Say okay, if you want transport 1, how much will take transport them? If now 200 naira for 1 bulk, it will be 400 naira for 2 bulk. Or if you buy things in bulk, 2 of them, maybe it will be 400 now. So we want to calculate the total cost, which will cost us. So we go add 2 things together. The first thing price per bulk times how many bulk, and transport per bulk times how many bulk. This one will give us the amount which will cost us totally to carry the goods reach our shop. And after that, we go print the total cost, which will cost us as I just talked before now. Then for here now, 1 times down by this 0.5 just means say 50%. We want to put 50% gain on top. 100% gain, for example, of 1,000 naira, we say if we want gain 100%, we will sell them for 2,000 naira. You understand? We will gain the same money we will take by them. But 50% we say we won't gain just half of that. That means say we'll sell them for maybe 1,500 and we'll gain 500 naira. So now we take do for it. So else print from 1 to 4. So if we just do it like this and we choose 4 for example, we go tell us to put how much for price per bulk. We go put down how many bulk we want buy. Most say we put 2 bulk. Transportation per bulk, maybe we will transport 1 bulk for so like this all the thing will go cost us plus transportation will be 2,400, and the amount we go sell them will be 3,600. Normally if we want times them by 100%, it will be say we will double the price we will take by them, which will be 4,800 naira. But now 50% like we talk, and now 3,600. So if you look the code again, nothing different from what we don't do before. But this one will allow us to use our plus times divide where and this is our elif as well. So now practice for elif, and yeah, now be that. Mostly the one way you go fit do, and now if you take calculate something where you could use for real life.